Linear inequalities. A linear inequality contains one of the symbols of inequality. We have the greater than symbol, which you can easily remember by the raise of your elbow, your right hand elbow as you're sitting now. Okay, the right hand elbow, when you raise it this way, you can use this to remember the symbol greater than. Likewise, the second symbol greater than is just the line underneath the greater than sign. Okay, that makes it greater than or equal to. Okay, then for the less than, it is opposite of the greater than. So as you sit down, if you try to raise your arm towards your chest, your left arm, you have the less than. So the right arm raised towards the chest, you have the greater than. Then with the left, you have the less than. Okay, then for the less than or equal to is just the line beneath the less than sign. Okay, so in solving linear inequalities, we use some exact rules. Okay, so rule number one is whatever you do to one side of the inequality, you must do to the other side. Okay, there are two sides to the inequality, which I'll be going through that when we are solving actual problems. Okay, then the second rule is you should remove the constant first and followed by any other coefficient. Okay, then for the third rule, if you have fractions, get rid of fractions first and then proceed with solving the inequality. Then the fourth rule is whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must reverse the sign. Which sign is that? The inequality sign. Okay, so we are going to solve real problems now.